In this part I want to complete the whole thing. This means paving the rest of the terrace, filling up the joints and compressing everything down. But now that I know how to do it, paving should only be a matter of copy and paste.
So let's see. Right.
Alright, I'll do it myself then. The underlayer here takes me a little thinking because I want to have the same slope away from the house here in the corner as in the rest of the terrace. Keeping the same level at the same distance from the house, so in this case just this house corner, basically makes this a plane in the shape of quarter a circle. With this hand ram you can really feel and hear when the underground is sufficiently compressed. Just listen. And this now is more than enough for just walking on. I'm not building a road here after all. And it certainly helps against being cold. Learning from my mistakes, this time I will put in the battens directly on the gravel and then add the sand. That's just a bit too high. Alright, 1, 2, 3 points. That's gonna be my plane for the first segment. Okay, the corner here was a little cheated, but I'm planning to lay natural stones here anyway, so it doesn't have to be too accurate. All right. This next patch I want to mainly fill with this kind of clinker brick carpet. So now I just somehow have to pull it over to get the border right and then get it out again to get the level right. That's one way to spend a free day. If the diagonals are the same length, then the whole thing is square. Okay, now for these guys. The carpet's out again, and I now got 4 different kinds of stones with 3 different heights, so I need to prepare the bedding individually for each kind. This time I only need to measure down from the final ground level, which is already given by these concrete blocks. First ones will be these red and orange ones on the border. And fortunately I still got this thing from laying the porphyries. Alright, that's my leveling jig. Let's see if it works. Yes. Here is going to be a real meeting of different kinds of stones again. First, a few of these concrete blocks to frame the carpet, and then I want to continue with these natural stones again. Ah. So you can see there is still slight inclination. From here down about 2%. Danke. Was ist denn das?
Dip-Top.
A Ketchup. Ist gut. Nimmst du es da wieder mit?
Ja.
Danke. Ahu! Aha! Servus! It's basically no problem working in ice cold temperatures since there is no water or mortar involved, but at least sometimes a little warmth would make things easier. Yes. Did I say that I want to finish the whole thing in this video? Well, looking at the timeline, it's too late now. But you can click here to see part 5 if it's out already. That's the final one. Or is it? Yeah, definitely the final one. So thanks for watching and bye.